So now we are going to discuss about the assignment question number 1.7 girls, and assignment question is given in your book on page number 23. Okay, assignment question number 1.7 is related with the milliliter conversion. Okay, a beaker contains 200 milliliter of water. Okay, what is the volume of water in centimeter cubic and meter cubic? Okay, now you can see girls that the volume of water is given in milliliter. That is V is equal to what? That is equal to 200 milliliter. And the question is, girls, what is the volume of water in centimeter cubic and meter cubic? Okay, girls, question is given that the volume of water is 200 milliliter. Okay, and the question is given that convert this milliliter in centimeter cubic and centimeter cubic in meter cubic. So what we will do, girls, first we will eliminate this milli. First we will eliminate this milli, and then we convert liter into centimeter cubic, and then we convert this centimeter cubic into meter cubic. Okay, so girls, for assignment question number 8, this assignment question also consists of two parts. First we will arrange the data for part A, and then we arrange the data for part B. Okay, girls, data for part A, volume of water in milliliter is equal to 200 milliliter. Okay, 200 milliliter, and as I told you that first we will convert this milliliter in liter. So how we can convert this milliliter in liter? Simply by replacing this milli with power of 10. Okay, so 200 multiplied by milli is equal to what, girls? Milli is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3, which I already discussed in table of prefixes. Okay, so milli is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3, and the unit is, remaining unit is liter. Okay, now required data is, girls, volume of water in centimeter cubic is equal to x. Okay, solution, girls, as I told you that we will convert this liter into centimeter cubic. Okay, and as we know that, girls, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cubic. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cubic. Okay, 200 into 10 raised to power minus 3 is equal to x. Okay, x mean volume of water in centimeter cubic. So as I already as I told you that same units are always written at same side. Okay, so again, girls, by cross multiplication, girls, we get x multiplied by 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cubic multiplied by 200 into 10 raised to power minus 3 liter. Okay, girls, for finding the value of x, again we eliminate this 1 liter. So how can we eliminate? Simply divide 1 liter on both sides. Okay, girls, 1000 centimeter cubic is equal to what? In terms of or in power of 10, girls, 1000 is equal to 10 raised to power 3. 1000 is equal to 10 raised to power 3. So you can write this value in simple notation as well as in power of 10, or in terms of prefixes you can also write this value. Okay, so divide 1 liter on both sides. Okay, yes. So x multiplied by 1 liter divided by 1 liter is equal to 10 raised to power 3 centimeter cubic multiplied by 200 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3 liter divided by 1 liter. Girls, 1 liter cancel. Okay, here we solve the unit. So liter cancel, girls. Okay, so remaining unit is only centimeter cubic. And this 10 raised to power plus 3, 10 raised to power minus 3 cancel. Okay. So girls, value x is equal to what? That is equal to 200 centimeter cubic. Okay. So it's mean the volume of water in centimeter cubic is equal to what? That is equal to 200 centimeter cubic. Okay. Now girls, in part B, we calculate volume of water in meter cubic. Okay. So first we will arrange the given data. And in given data girls, volume of water in centimeter cubic is equal to what? That is equal to 200 centimeter cubic. Okay. And volume of water in meter cubic is equal to x. Okay. Solution, as you know it very well, that 1 meter cubic is equal to 10 raised to power 3, 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cubic. Okay, why? Because now we convert this centimeter cubic into meter cubic. Okay, and 200 centimeter cubic is equal to x. So again girls, by cross multiplication, x multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cubic is equal to 1 meter cubic multiplied by 200 centimeter cubic. Okay. For finding the value of x, divide 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cubic on both sides. So 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cubic, 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cubic cancel. Okay. On this side girls, centimeter cubic cancel. So remaining value is x is equal to 1 multiplied by 200 is equal to 200 meter cubic, because the remaining unit is only meter cubic. Centimeter cubic cancel. So remaining unit is meter cubic. So 1 multiplied by 200 is equal to 200 meter cubic divided by 10 raised to power 6. Okay. Now girls, again if we move this denominator toward numerator, so power of 10 will be negative. Okay. So 200 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6. Now if we want to convert this value in standard notation, so again decimal move toward first non-zero digit. As you know it very well that 2 is first non-zero digit. So decimal placed after first non-zero digit. Okay. So x is equal to 2.00 into 10 raised to power. Again we count the number of digit between the initial position of decimal and new position of decimal. As you can see girls, that there are only 2 number of digit present between the initial position of decimal and new position. So power of 10 will be 2. And according to Lars, if decimal move toward left side, so power of 10 will be positive. Okay. Into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter cubic. Okay. X is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 2 minus 6 meter cubic. So 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter cubic. Result, volume of water in meter cubic is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter cubic. Okay. So it's all about assignment question number 1.7. Kindly solve, practice this assignment question on your rough copies girls. Okay, kindly girls, practice all these example assignment in your rough copies. Okay.